We're here at photo card 110. Those buttons, so narrow and skinny. That was a smooth start. Very quick too. Single speed. I think this is my first single speed lift in Stockholm. Back on the ground. Look at this wooden cow. It has like a shape there too. 3 persons. You cannot fit 3 people in here. We can probably maybe barely fit 3 small people in here. I don't know what brand this is. That probably says the brand, but I can't read that. That's so worn out. Suspended by 2 hoist ropes. That's gonna be good.